looks three-dimensional, right? This is I got into art to kind of understand the phenomena, and that's where I began to learn like certain areas of geometry. Like there's something called vanishing point. Vanishing point is the point. There's a point at the horizon. It's like a V. For illustrating, let's say, a commercialized area, a city, modified, and if you put a very
so it's the A but a higher frequency. No, we call it pitch. It's frequency. From a physics perspective, it's called frequency. How we interpret sound, we call it pitch. Now, why are we hearing octaves? Octave is quite a phenomenon. It turns out that based on our biological evolution, we and our Homo sapiens, our survival mechanism.
Knowing a lot about all these subjects and being able to explain them and talk.
Being able to solve problems. Okay. I have a gift to solve problems.
But then when you're not doing that,
then you have like psycholinguistics, sociolinguistics, and the philosophical aspect of linguistics. We probably don't have
logarithmic, meaning that the human ear interprets sounds in increments. So